Hi, my name is Me here, and I'll be showing you our Legoland media project so far. So, I'll start off at our homepage, where we talk about why you should use Legoland Media, as well as our mission. And in this video, I'll be demoing the features that we've made. So, I'll start off by demoing my own feature, the sentiment analysis. So, how it works is you give it a CSV file containing the comments of an Instagram post, which I explained how to obtain here with the website. And I already have this downloaded, so I upload the file, which is this, and I press the analyze button, and it'll give me the results. So it analyzes all the comments and gives a polarity score. Now, a polarity score is a score from -1 to 1, representing the positive or negative content of the comments. So 1 being positive and -1 being negative. And so it analyzes all the comments here, and you'll see that awesome with 3 exclamation marks has a polarity score of 1 because it's very positive. It's a very positive comment, and it'll filter out these comments by how positive or how negative they are and sort them. Now, the next feature I want to talk about is the hashtag analysis. So hashtags are strings used in the post description. So let's say I want to make a post with the hashtag travel and hashtag Lego brick. So if I want to see how this post will do, I'll press the Analyze Hashtags button, and it'll give me an average likes of 4,350 with 200,000 views. Now, let's say I want to just use the hashtag travel instead of Lego brick. You'll notice that the average likes went up to 7,000, but the views went down. So this all depends on what you're trying to target, whether it's likes or engagement or views or the reach that the post has. So you can customize this and experiment with it to see what works best for the post. Now, the next feature I want to talk about is the post length. So this feature was made by our group member Michelle, and how it works, it'll predict the engagement based off the length of a video. So let's say my post was 30 seconds long. Now I predict the engagement, and it'll say it's a good and likely to be watched. But what if I want an excellent video? Now let's say I get something longer, like 45 seconds. Now it gives me an excellent engagement. So if I want this data, keeping this data in mind, if I want a post that does better and reaches more people, I'd want to have longer videos, my posts in longer video content closer to 45 seconds. Now, the next feature I want to talk about is the photo analysis feature. So this feature was made by our teammate Claire Lee. And how this works is you upload a photo and it'll predict the likes that you'll receive on this photo. So I have one stored. It's a photo of a Lego brick because we're in Legoland. And I'll press the predict button, and it'll predict 1,023 likes with a rating score of 102.57%, which means an increase in likes compared to the last post that we had. And I'll give you more details on it here, but overall, it's a pretty nice way that you can quickly analyze a post and see and estimate how it's going to do. Now, the next feature I want to talk about is the post time analysis. Now, let's say I want to see what time works best for making a post. So let's say I want to post at 3:45 p.m. Now, it'll give me an estimated likes or views at 1,035 likes. Now, if I wanted to maximize this, let's say I'll try a different time, like 11 o'clock p.m. Now, after this, it gives me more likes and views at 1,549, which is an increase compared to posting at 3 o'clock. So maybe if I wanted a post to do better, I could post it at 11 o'clock p.m. And this is also backed by past data from Legoland. The last feature I want to talk about is the frequency engagement measure. So by doing this, you have to enter how many times you upload weekly. Let's say I'm starting off my account and I upload 4 times a week. Now, I want to upload maybe 7 times a day or 8 times a day, and I'll see how that uploading changes my engagement. So I get an engagement score, as well as a bar to represent the progress and see how good it is, and as well as tips on how to improve my engagement even further. That's all I have for you guys today, but thank you for watching, and I hope to do more with you with Legoland in the future.